What's up guys, it's Grant from Genie Motorsports, and today I'm going to show you how to install these side engine covers. Alright, for this install you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm using an Allen wrench to take out some of these JDM wick washers. So if you don't have those, don't worry about that. But you're going to need to take out this one here, and the one back here. So I already have this side installed as you can see. I kind of just put the weather stripping over the thing and use some of their supplied fender washers to put in. So that's theirs, stock, ones I bought online, and stock. So for this other side, you're going to want to take the one out here, which I put one of the JDMs in here. Take out this one, which is going to be theirs, and then stock. So let's get those out and install the other side. To get these out is relatively simple. Just take a flathead screwdriver, kind of just get under the lip and kind of just pry it up. It should come up. Usually. There we go. So it's up and then out. And so what I'm doing so I don't lose my pieces is just putting them there. So I put this side in, put the weather stripping over top like so. Put these back in like that. That's an actual screw in, so I put the JDM one in here. These are pretty cheap. I got these off eBay for like $5. A bag of 20 for these. And then I also got these off eBay. They're all different brands carry them. You can get them super cheap. I think I spent $28 on these for the set, but I've seen them upwards of $60. So let me finish putting these together. Alright, for this side you do not need to take this one out as it doesn't connect, but on this side you do. But some of these get interesting, so what you're going to do is just pull the weather stripping. Just ripped it, nice. Pull the weather stripping like so to line up your hole. So the kit I bought comes with 3 different sizes of these. So we got small, medium, and large. I used a small here, a medium here, a medium, and then this is the large. And then on this side I used a medium and a medium. So that's it for this video. Pretty simple install. I think it cleans up the engine bay a lot. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I am Grant from Genie Motorsports, and as always, come for the installs, stay for the vlogs. Bye guys.